Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing, working on our Rigid What's Inside the Box series. And today we have the Rigid SRL series light bar, also known as the spreader bars. As you can see here, this is the light. It's got a curve to it to get more spread on the output, and it comes in a white, a blue, a red, and an amber. And today we're going to show you what comes inside the box. These are obviously offered in different flavors of length bars, and we're going to show you this one here today. This is the spreader bar itself, and on the end it comes with Deutsch connector. Really nice bar, solid, and again it's got the curve to it. You can see that there. Give nice light disbursement. And then you get this heavy duty wire harness with fuse and the relay and Deutsch connector there, and then your connectors for your toggle switch, three-way toggle switch, LED light, that's also included, all stainless steel hardware included, and stainless steel brackets are also included. And we will obviously continue to make more of these videos. Please be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we make more. And please feel free to leave comments, support our channel. That's what we look forward to, is your comments, your feedback. Let us know any videos you'd like us to see or to make in the future, and we will get them out there for you as soon as we get new parts in. We make videos so that way you guys know exactly what comes inside the box. And if you're interested in any Rigid products, send us an email. We have coupon codes for discounts for you, and of course you can reach and contact us anytime through our website and email. And our website is hardracing.com, and we will get you taken care of.